In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the text size appear larger on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then underneath vision on the right, select text size. And then you can adjust the scroll bar to the right to make the text size appear larger, and then select apply to save. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.